Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to switch between your units of measure, whether it's miles or kilometers. So first, you're going to start the vehicle, wait a moment for all of this to populate, and then over here, we're going to use these controls, basically right or left to scroll, and then this up or down in a moment. So I'll just keep pushing right until I get to this screen, at which point then I'm gonna just push down or up, but down until you get to unit, and there's some more options to lower if you need, but unit, and then we will push enter. So push, and then we're in this particular case we're changing mileage, so we'll push enter again, and then here you can adjust to whichever display setting you like the best. Push enter, and then it automatically updated everything. As you can see here, was miles, now it's kilometers, and I am in the United States, so miles per gallon makes the most sense. So I'm going to switch it back, and you can see here it automatically updated. I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.